A little experiment today. We've got on Bessie's gluten-free Yorkshire puddings mix, and I have got some lemon curd. I want to mix the two of those together. A very large tablespoon of the lemon curd. Roll it into a ball of pastry. Add another little ball. Just gonna finish that off. And I'm just gonna, enough mix to make 5. I've just made 4. Put them in the air fryer, and I'm gonna cook it for, I'm gonna try 7 minutes at 180. Look, wow. 1 minute, I think, more. So that's 8 minutes altogether. I'm going to give it an extra minute. So yes, that's the result. So to loosen them, you have to obviously let it cool, but I'm just doing it gradual all the way around so it comes loose. Ha ha ha. That's what's left after you remove them, so we're not going to waste that. Turn it upside down. I've put just a little dash of lemon curd on top. Just a little dash. You're going to smooth it in. That is the experiment finished. That is what you have there. Basically, they like little rock cake biscuits. That's what they've turned out to be. Hope you like it. Try it. Very, very tasty. Only 2 ingredients.